Hey, this is Tyler Kemp with LATICRETE Technical Services, and today we're going to be talking about connecting your StrataHeat thermostat to your smart home system using Matter. Let's check it out. Connecting your StrataHeat thermostat to your smart home system can be super easy by using something called Matter. If you see this Matter logo on the box that you purchased it in, or if you see it displayed on the back of the faceplate, your thermostat is going to have that Matter capability. We're going to be able to connect it through some simple steps. All right, so we're going to get our StrataHeat Smart LCD thermostat connected to a smart home system using Matter. First thing I'm going to do is open up the menu. From here, I'm going to go to Settings. Once I get into my settings, I'm going to go ahead and select Network. Network is then going to give me an option on here to get set up. And you'll see that there are two different options here depending on how you're connecting it. It's going to be either with the My Heating app or the StrataHeat app. I already have this device connected to the StrataHeat app, so it is currently grayed out, not giving me an option for it. So the other option that I have currently that I still need to get set up, of course, is going to be with my Matter app. So when I click on Matter, it actually pulls up the QR code for that smart home system app to be able to scan it. So that's whether you're using Amazon Alexa app or you're using the Google Home app or pretty much any smart home system app that is Matter capable. And so right now I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick demonstration using the Google Home app. So the Google Home app will actually sometimes automatically detect when you have a device that's capable of connection nearby, or you may need to click on that little add symbol at the top. So when we click on that add symbol, you can actually go ahead and select add a device and go through that app's prompts to locate any nearby devices. Now, as you can see, it did go ahead and detect that I had some devices nearby, one of which being our smart thermostat. As you can see, the item number right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to pull up the camera for me to scan that QR code. And let me just position that correctly. All right, so once it's scanned it, it's automatically going to go through that setup process. And as you can see, because I don't have a hub, I can't set up anything further with this, but of course, this is for demonstration purposes, just to show you exactly how you would go in and get that device connected with your smart home hub through Google Home. So for now, on this one, I'm going to exit setup. And we're going to go over and we're going to check out the Amazon Alexa. So whenever I'm in the Amazon Alexa app, what I'm going to do is select these three little lines here, and I've got a little addition button here where I can add a device. So I'm going to go ahead and add a device. And as you can see, it is already detecting an available device nearby. And I can go ahead and select that. There's also an option as well, if you don't see that popping up, to scroll all the way down through your device options until you see Other. So at the bottom, Other. And then you'll see that there is an option to select Matter, in which case you can follow those prompts and scan the QR code. And now once I've got it scanned, I can just go through the prompts on that app. And you'll notice as well over here, I do get the message on my thermostat screen that it is found and connected, and I'm seeing it on my screen here as well. Congratulations, your thermostat is connected. Okay, now just as a demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how this can work. So what I've done here is set my fixed temperature to 69 degrees. Let's say I want to bump that up by about 10 degrees, get it around 79. So what I'm going to do is just say, Alexa, can you raise my floor heat temperature by 10 degrees? And you'll see immediately right here, it is now set at 79 fixed. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. And if you have any further questions about getting your StrataHeat thermostat connected with your smart home system, please don't hesitate to reach out to the LATICRETE Technical Services Department.